Welcome back to my channel, y'all. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you've been sticking around with me, I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. So in today's video, I'm going to make a gift for my niece. I'm attempting to make a crate using Dollar Tree products. I got a canvas and popsicle sticks from the Dollar Tree. So what I did first was I took the canvas apart and I took all of the staples out, and be careful when you do this because I actually punctured my finger and it bled a little bit, but it's not like I died or anything. I survived through it, but just be aware that there are staples in the little center pieces there that, well, not center, but in the little side pieces there that hold the pieces together, and that is the staples that I got cut on. So then I wanted to do 3 strips on each side of my crate. So I did 6 long pieces, and then I decided how wide I wanted my crate, and I did 6 smaller pieces because those would be my sides. So you want your front piece and your back piece to be longer sides than your side pieces. And the way I measured them out was I did my first piece about the length I wanted it, and then I used it as a guide to cut the rest of my popsicle sticks. And the Dollar Tree does have popsicle sticks, and I'm almost sure that that's where I got these, but they were already open, so I couldn't see the top of them, but I'm pretty sure I got them from the Dollar Tree. So like I said, you just want to take, like I'm doing here, your scissors, and just cut using the first stick after you get the length you want as your guide for the rest of your sticks. And then here you can see that I have all my pieces the same length, and the little wood pieces are the pieces from my canvas. So I made sure that they were all the same length too, because those are going to be the inside pieces that hold my crate together. Now the Dollar Tree does sell crates, and I'm aware of that. However, mine does not. I have never seen a wooden crate at my Dollar Tree, and I love the way they look, but I just can't find them at mine. So this was my first attempt at making a crate, and I wanted to use Dollar Tree products because I wanted a very inexpensive way to make one. So this was the way that I came up with to make one. And then here I'm just showing how it looks whenever you get your pieces together on your sides. And this is what I did. I just used hot glue. You can use wood glue, which is probably better, but I didn't have any, so I just hot glued it. And then you want to have something for your bottom, just so whatever you put in there will have something to support it. You probably don't want to put something really heavy in your crate. I'm just putting like a soap dispenser and another jar in there. So I made mine like that. Didn't really have any reason why I did it that way. I just wanted it that way. And then after I got it that way, I took my Waverly chalk paint in the antique color, and usually I water it down and run it over it, but this time I just took a paintbrush and straight paintbrushed it, just like I would if I was painting something else. And it still allowed the wood to shine through, which I thought was real pretty, and it gave it a nice dark brown look. I think it looks really rustic. Next, I have this pig, and I think I got it from Walmart. It's like 97 cents, so it was still very cheap. They have them in the craft department, and I'm just going to take this blue. I know. I thought, why not be a little bit different? Let's have a blue pig, and it's Waverly chalk paint in the color peacock, and it's so pretty. Right now, blue is really trending, and I think it's really pretty. And I tried to show you what it looked like just by opening the lid, but you couldn't really see down in there. So anyway, I wanted the pig to be blue, so I painted it blue and I set it aside. And then this is something I just had around the house. It's disgusting. But I wanted to have a pretty little soap dispenser. Now, the Dollar Tree does have soap dispensers, and you can just buy one of those and spray paint it. They also have jars, and you can just pick you up a jar and spray paint it. But mine did not come from the Dollar Tree, my little soap dispenser. It actually came in a little gift set. And then the color I think I used, it was like sunflower yellow or something, something. Anyway, I showed it. It's just I was talking over it, and now I just don't want to go back and edit that. So I took my pig and I just stuck it to the front. And then after I had my jars dry, I just set those down inside the crate, and I put a few little flowers in it, and I tied some jute twine around the top. And I think it all came together really pretty. I love the way it turned out, and my niece said that she really liked it too. And as long as she likes it, that's all that matters. But I hope I inspired you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And please don't forget to subscribe.